Welcome to my channel, Learn and Share Knowledge.
Today, I am going to start with an introduction to CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the design and presentation language of the web. It enables you to style HTML elements and make your web pages visually appealing. If you're new to CSS, this introduction will give you a clear understanding of what CSS is and how to get started. What is CSS? CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. It controls the layout, colors, fonts, and other visual aspects of your web page. Think of HTML as the structure or skeleton of a web page, and CSS as the clothing and makeup that make it look attractive. Next is CSS syntax. CSS uses a simple syntax that consists of a selector and a declaration block. Here's a basic example. Here, selector is the HTML element you want to style. It could be a tag like h1, a class like .header, or an ID like #main_content. Property is what aspect of the element you want to style, such as color, font size, or background color. And value is the value you want to assign to the property. For example, red, 16 pixel, and so on. How to apply CSS to HTML documents. There are several ways to apply CSS to your HTML documents. One is inline CSS. You can include CSS directly in the HTML element style attribute. For example, as shown here. Another is internal CSS. You can place your CSS code within an styled element in the HTML document's head section as shown below. The last one is external CSS. Here you create a separate CSS file with a .css extension and link it to your HTML document using the linked element. This is the most common practice for larger projects. The most important part is CSS selectors. Selectors are a crucial part of CSS. They allow you to target specific HTML elements for styling. Common selectors include element selectors, class selectors, and ID selectors.